Can you guess what we're drawing today? Hello friends, it's Kiki, and today, we're making something orange. Let's go. First, let's draw a big, round circle. Now for a tiny stem on top. And look, a beautiful green leaf. It's starting to look real. Make it more visible. Wait, did you see that? A magic star just flew past. Keep your eyes open for more. Time for orange. It looks so yummy, yay! You did it! Your orange is amazing! Show it to a friend. See you soon. Bye bye.